Hello viewers, welcome to my channel EHP Education. In today's lesson, we will learn 10 common English idioms that native speakers use in every conversation. These idioms will help you speak more naturally and sound more fluent. Let's get started. Idiom number 1, break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social situation. For example, John told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Idiom number 2, hit the nail on the head, meaning to be exactly right or accurate. For example, she hit the nail on the head when she said we need more practice. Idiom number 3, once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. For example, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. Idiom number 5, under the weather, meaning feeling slightly sick or unwell. For example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her assignment. Idiom number 7, a piece of cake, meaning something very easy to do. For example, the English test was a piece of cake. Idiom number 8, call it a day, meaning to stop working for the day. For example, we have done enough. Let's call it a day. Idiom number 9, cold feet, meaning to feel nervous before doing something important. For example, he got cold feet before his wedding. Idiom number 10, keep something under wraps, meaning to keep something secret. For example, they kept their vacation plans under wraps. That's it for today. These 10 idioms will help you sound more fluent and confident in English. Which idiom was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching my video.